So we start off today's video with a DIY design of this vase. This is a pretty simple one, features some spray paint. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. So you just grab a clear vase, wrap the tape around it, spray, take the paint off, and bam, loving the design behind that. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have someone making their own DIY table. I am obsessed with these kind of videos. I love the idea of being able to make your own table, whether it's a coffee table, side table, whatever. Oh, she did a dark wood stain for that one. Very nice. So we have someone adding some straws here. Looks like they spray painted it. Oh, wow, a lampshade. That is crazy good. Such a cool idea. Best part is you could spray paint that any color you want. So we have someone painting a simple jug here. They did a stencil effect. Very bold yellow. Then they're doing another variation with blue and white. Oh, they use it as vases or like planters. That's pretty cool. I actually like the bold yellow. I think it really adds a nice touch for like spring. And then we have someone turning these crates into shelves. Wow. I love this idea. So we have a DIY by Amelia. Oh, she's doing like the stained glass look. That's pretty. Oh, another gorgeous vase design. Then we have some more straws here, painted gold. Looks like she's making wall art. Oh, she's adding lights to the back. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Then we have some little animal figurines here. Spray painting them gold. Oh, a jewelry holder. Oh wow, that is so cool. She put candy in the other one. I really like that idea. That is just so cool. So we have another DIY by Amelia. So this time she's back with more bottles. Looks like she glued them to some cardboard. Added some rope. So this must be like a vase design. So she's making like a little basket with this. That's cool. That would be nice for like if you wanted to do an herb garden and like put it in your windowsill. Now this looks like some type of picture frame someone's making. Maybe not. Oh, flowers. So let me know in the comments below which DIY is your favorite. This one looks like it might be of some type of lantern design. Oh no, a basket. Wow. Oh, a hanging planter. Oh, that was incredible. Another DIY by Amelia. mirror design, probably. Little jewel pieces. Very nice. Now, if you wanted to, you could spray paint these sticks. Yeah, if she would have spray painted those silver, oh, that would have been a masterpiece. So here we have a DIY with some spoons. So she cut some and left some hanging. Oh, a candle holder. Oh, it's supposed to look like a flower at the top. That's actually pretty cool. I think I would have liked it better, though, if she just did the shorter spoons. Nice decorative jars. They're definitely making some decorative jars. Very nice. Oh, they're putting stuff in there, herbs and pasta. I like that you can see what's inside of them. That's pretty cool. So we have a picture frame here. Spray painting it black. Adding in a wooden piece. So they must be making a wall shelf. Yep, very nice. That was such a simple design. I love that. I love when I see simple design, something that's easy to follow. Especially if it's like a fast reel, like you can't always see what they're doing. Oh, wow. This is really nice. This would be really cute, like bathroom decor with the shells. I like that. Very nice. Oh, it's so cute. Some more decorative apotrophy. I can't talk today. More decorative jars. Let's just say that. All right, you guys. I hope you enjoyed checking out these DIY project ideas with me. If you did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.